Assalamualaikum and hi to my beloved Madam Puan Syahirah. My name is Syahirah Binti Rosdi and my matric number is 08DBK20F1003. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your laptop using a cleaning kit that have been set for their use, such as a clean laptop, computer, phone, iPad or tablet, and smartwatch. So let's see. Before I show you how to wash your laptop, here is a 6-in-1 cleaning kit, which is one set. And next, I will tell you what each one is used for. Okay, this one, it is a 60ml screen cleaner and washing liquid for the screen only. Next is case cleaner 60ml, washing fluid for almost the entire laptop except the screen. Next is brush 13cm, used to sweep all the dust from the keyboard or a suitable place. Next is a blower, used to blow the dust in the gap of the keyboard. Second last is screen cloth, used for wiping the screen only. And the last one, cleaning cloth, used for entire laptop. Let's go for the step. Step 1. If the laptop is being charged, first make sure to close the switch and discard the charger. Step 2. Take the case cleaner 60ml, spray on cleaning cloth, then you can wipe it entire laptop unless screen. Make sure there is no excess water when cleaning on the bottom, as liquid can get into the details of the laptop and can cause damage. Step 3. Take the screen cloth and washing liquid for screen. Spray on it, then wipe all screen. If you're done, you can take 2 minutes to dry, or you use the cleaning cloth that dry to wipe it. Step 4. Take the brush and sweep the dust on the keyboard. Step 5. Take the blower and blow it around the gap of keyboard, or you can blow away the dust that floats to the screen or place that has been cleaned. For the last step, step 6. Take again the case cleaner and cleaning cloth. Spray on it and flatten on the keyboard.